Right, let's look at the homework 6.6, problem number 8. Right, so we want to find the derivative of this arctangent. Right, so let's do that. Alright, so remember that the arctangent, so derivative of arctangent of x is 1 over 1 plus x squared. Right? So if you take the derivative of this guy, so y prime is equal to, right, 7 is a constant multiple, put that in front. So this is going to be 1 over, right, 1 plus, right, so we have to square that guy. So we have x minus square root of 1 plus x squared, then chain rule, multiply by derivative of the inside function. So that will be derivative of x is 1, right, then minus, and this is equivalent to, remember that this is equivalent to quantity 1 plus x squared to the 1/2 power. So put 1/2 in front, keep the same quantity, subtract 1 from the power, and multiply by derivative of inside. Right, so we get that. Right, then we just need to clean up a bit. Let's see, so we have 2 on the bottom and 2 on top. They cancel out. So we're gonna get this. Right, 7 is in front. Right, I'm gonna multiply this out, so it's gonna be 1 plus, right, so that'll be x squared minus 2x square root of 1 plus x squared, plus that square would be just a 1 plus x squared. Right, then on top you can see that this is going to be I guess it's 1. Right, on top you're gonna have so this is going to be a square root of 1 plus x squared. So taking a common denominator, so 1 same thing as square root of 1 plus x squared, right, minus x. Right, so that will be everything. Right, right, then if you clean up a bit, so you actually have 2 of everything. So you have 2 of these guys and 2 of these guys. Right, so I'm gonna just pull out 2 times, then you have 1 plus x squared, right, then minus x square root of 1 plus x squared, right, then you're going to multiply by square root of 1 plus x squared, and then you're going to have, right, 7, then you have square root of 1 plus x squared minus x. Right, then if you distribute this guy to both terms, this guy and that guy there, you will get this. Right, you have a 7 times square root of 1 plus x squared minus x. Right, then you have 2. Right, so you have square root of 1 plus x squared is here, so I'll pull that one out. Right, then what's left is going to be actually that's not what I wanted to pull out. I'm gonna actually pull out 1 plus x squared, so I'm gonna pull out 1 plus x squared from there. So you would have square root of 1 plus x squared, right? For the second term, if you have square root of 1 plus x squared times itself, so that'll be 1 plus x squared. So what's left is negative x. Right? Now you can see that we can cancel this guy with that guy. Right? So that's why you end up with 7 over 2 times 1 plus x squared. Right? So this is the derivative. Right? So let's type it in. Right? So this is 7 over 2 times 1 plus x squared. Oops. Alright, let's submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.